which is a shame.
Right. Here goes, first ever YouTube video. Don't know what it's gonna turn out like, but we are doing, because I promised my class that we would do this, we are keeping up with our daily maths workout, which is Fluent in 5. We're up to week 22, and we're doing actually day 2 today, because we did day 1 before we left school. Okay, so I'll write that on the board. Day 2. So if you've got your booklet, you'll know exactly what we've been doing. Or you can just join us and do a little bit of maths. So question number 1 is 9,963 divided by 9. So we've got 9,963 inside the bus stop, and we want groups of 9. We're counting in groups of 9. So I always say hold up the first amount of fingers. We've got 9 fingers up. I want a group of 9. How many 9s can I get from 9? Well, the answer is 1, isn't it? So I'll put that on top of the bus stop. How many 9s can I get into 9 again? We've just done that math, so we've got another 1 on top of the bus stop there. How many 9s this time can I get into 6? So how many 9s, groups of 9, can I get from 6? Well, I can't get any, can I? So that's going to be 0. But what am I going to do with these 6? I'm going to carry them across onto this 3 number here to make the number 63. So the next bit of maths is how many 9s can I fit into 63? Well, I know my 9 times table actually, and I know that that is 7. Just in case you're not sure, let's count. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. So exactly 7. No remainders in this case at all. So that's the first one done. I've got no board rubber with me, so I'm just going to have to rub it off with my hands. Actually, I've probably done that a million times before. Right, question number 2. Oh, I can hear some people shouting out there if they got pulled out of the lolly stick pot. Oh, this one's too easy. Why did I get this one? But it's all about mental strategies, isn't it? So how are you going to add that up as fast as you can, just in your head with no pen? See, I didn't have the pen with me. Well, I can see a number bond straight away, so I would probably do 6 and 4, which I know is 10, and then add on the 3, which is 13. If you did it a different way, feel free to comment, and I'll try to reply to you. And we can stay in touch that way, can't we? So, right, next one, question number 3. Right, mystery number. Dun, 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 which is normally what we do. Add 16,273 equals 49,626. Right, when we've got a mystery number, dun, 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 we always say look for the biggest number. So I've got something, add something, which makes this number at the end. So this has got to be the biggest number. So I need to use that number and that number to make a smaller number. So how am I going to do that? Well, I must be going to have to do a takeaway. So I need to use these 2 numbers and do a takeaway to make a smaller number. So my 2 numbers in the fact family, remember to put the top one being the biggest one. 49,626. Takeaway 16,273, which equals, let's do a quick takeaway, see if we can do it. 6 take away 3 is 3. 2 take away 7, if you use the little rhyme. More on top, don't stop. More on the floor, knock next door. So there's more on the floor this time. I'm going to have to knock next door. He's got 6. Let's take one off him. He's got 5 left now. Let's give it to the neighbour. Give the 1 or the 10 or whatever you want to call it to the neighbour. 12 take away 7 this time. I always count the difference. So I start from 7 and I count up to 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the difference is 5. 5 take away 2. More on top, don't stop. 5 take away 2 is 3. Put the thousands comma in. 9 take away 6 is 3. And 4 take away 1 is 3. So the answer is 33,353. Now, if you wanted to check, you could put that in an ad. My class would get a raffle ticket for doing that if they actually checked. I'll let you check And let's hope I haven't made no mistakes on my first ever YouTube video. If I have, feel free to put the comments in the box. So, next one, number 4. We're nearly done. Number 4. Oh, it's a long one. 4,623 times 28. So we're doing long multiplication here. We're doing it long. It's long because it's 2 digits. It's a big number times at least 2 digits. Right, I didn't bring my trusty post-it notes home, but normally, just to help out, I've made a little trusty post-it note here. In fact, it's a little bit big. Didn't realise how big it was going to be. But I'm just going to cover over one of the numbers, and then that makes it a lot easier. We're all used to doing this now in year 5. So let's do this one, the 8 times table. 3 times 8, 24. 4 on the box. We put our 2 on the doorstep here. 2 times 8 is 16. Add the 2, 17, 18. 8 in the box. 1 on the doorstep. Now, if you want to cross these off after you've used them, feel free if that's going to keep you up to the point where you need to be at. Okay. 6 times 8, which is 48. Add the 1, 49. 9 in the box. 4 on the doorstep. I'll cross them off just to keep us right. 4 times 8. Which is 32, add the 4, 33, 34, 35, 36, 36. Okay, right, now we've done the top line, that one's correct, 4,623 times 8. Now I need to times that number at the top by this number instead, this 2. Now, what does this 2 stand for? This 2 is in the tens column, so it stands for 20, not 2. So I'm going to put in what we call the biz, the very important 0. And then the next line, 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 2 is 12, so 2 in the box. Now, I've run out a doorstep here, so where am I going to put this 1? I'm going to fly it up here. And fly it up there. So 6 times 2 is 12, 2 in the box, 1 flying up high. 4 times 2 is 8, add the 1 is 9. And all I need to do is add these 2 numbers together. 4 add 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 add 6 is 14. 4 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 9, add this 1 is 10, add 4 is 14. 4 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 6 add 2. 8, add the 1 is 9, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, start a new column, no more maths to do. Oh, sorry, put that in the totally wrong place. If you're not sure where to put your comma, count 3 from the end, and then put it in. So we're saying the number in groups of 3, 129,444, and that should be your answer. Right, last one, question 5. Oh, must get a board rubber. Number 5. Right, really quite easy. 9, 12, take away 1/4. Why can't I do it straight away? My class will be screaming out now because the numbers on the bottom, the denominators, aren't the same, so it makes it really tricky to do. So we need to make them the same first before we can do it. So how do I turn 4 into 12? What have I got to times 4 by to turn it into 12? Well, I think that's 3. 4 times 3 is 12. But times the bottom number must times the top number of the fraction as well. So I've got a new fraction going on here. Let's do a little abracadabra. I'll change that. 1 times 3 is 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. And now it's really easy to do. 9 twelfths take away 3 twelfths is 6 twelfths. Don't forget, don't take away the bottom number, just the top. Excellent. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed.